St. Louis University basically built the foundation for my whole career in the Air Force and in the aerospace industry. It gave me all of the skills and all of the abilities for me to succeed. And I have translated a lot of those skills here to MSU Denver, where I teach. I remember to this day, I was taking a class called Vibration Analysis in my senior year. I had Dr. Sobininsky, and one of the requirements in the class that he did, that he told us, was he was going to take one chapter, he would not teach us, but we were responsible, because in industry, you're going to face situations in which you have to teach yourself material. And I've carried that through my whole career. Always remember that. I was in a service fraternity, and one of the things that we did was to go to a local orphanage and help the nuns, basically manual labor, clearing, doing landscaping, that type of stuff. And it feels very satisfying. So it was really an interesting and an experience I would never forget. I'm doing right now outside the MSU Denver, which is my robotics competition, BEST, Boosting Engineering, Science and Technology. It's sort of like helping the orphanage, but now what I do is my friends that retired from Raytheon and Lockheed, we all have this free robotics competition, which is nationwide, and we provide a service to the community, to the kids, because they don't have to spend any money. It's all free for them. And all the schools at the same level. So a very poor school can compete against a very wealthy school at the same level. And that's sort of like my orphanage in Denver, so to speak. When I was in Parks in my first year, I'm coming from a Hispanic society, speaking Spanish all the time, to suddenly I'm speaking English all the time, in an environment I'm not familiar with. And the first year I struggled a little bit, but they really helped me. They encouraged me, and I finished, and I never failed a class. I think because of that environment of small classrooms, teachers willing to help you out when you're struggling, that's why I managed to finish, and with a good education. It gave me the foundation for everything I did in working with the Air Force and working at Lockheed. Everything that I've done in my career came from that skill set, not only technical, but non-technical, things like good writing. English is really my second language. And learning how to speak in public, learning how to push myself. All that came from those skill set that I learned at the university.